Hello, my dear students. Welcome to second sem. In this sem, me and Ashok Father will handle strategic marketing subject for you. Let's start with the first unit, that is strategic marketing management. In this video, you are going to study about definition, meaning and nature of strategic marketing management. Before going to this, let's have a glance on basic terms, that is a marketing management, strategy and strategy management. All these terms you already studied it in your graduation. Let's study it in brief. First, that is a market. The term market is derived from the Latin word marketas, which means trade, merchandise, or place where business is conducted. That means the market is derived from the word marketas. Marketas means it is a place where goods and services are exchanged. The market can be understood through two ways, that is a narrow sense and broader sense. Narrow sense means is in a general, market refers to certain place where buyers and sellers personally meet each other and make their purchases and sales. That means here buyers and sellers meet face to face at a particular place and make their purchases and sales. Example is fruit market, vegetable market, etc. In broader sense, that means here market concept is developed, so that market is not only a place but it means a different meaning. So in now market is developed concept, so that the in broader sense market refers to exchange of goods and services from anywhere, and the physical presence of buyer and seller is not necessarily required. That means here exchange of goods and services can be taken place at any place of the world, and the buyers and sellers who interested in purchase and sale of goods and services need not to be meet in person. Means there is a personally meeting is not required, but they can negotiate the exchange through different means of communication like mail, telephone, or through different medias of communication. This exchange of goods and services can be taken place. This is about market. Example for a market in broader sense, that is a online shopping or e-commerce platform that provide the market. Then next word, that is a marketing. According to marketing, this marketing is the essence of business. It is an important part of the business, and it is a important part of our everyday life. This marketing again we understand through two way, that is through traditional marketing concept and modern marketing concept. According to traditional concept, marketing refers to the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from the producers to consumers. That means here marketing means the refers to the performance of different business activities which help the flow of goods from the center of production to the center of consumption. That then what is business activities? Business activities, it include the product designing, packaging, warehousing, transportation, branding, selling, advertising, etc. These are the different business activities which help the organization for the movement of the goods from the place of manufacture to the place of consumer. That is a marketing concept. So in traditional marketing, it mainly concerned about the sales of the product than the consumer satisfaction. Because of that reason, according to traditional marketing concept, marketing is a sales oriented. Then next, let's see the marketing meaning under modern concept. Marketing refers to the process of determining consumer demand for a product or services, motivating its sales and distributing it into ultimate consumption at a profit. That means under modern concept, here the first organization first has to identify the needs of the consumer. Then on the basis of the needs, it has to produce the product and must be distributed them to the ultimate consumer at a profit. So in a simple way, it is a marketing is concerned with the identifying the actual and potential needs of consumers and steps taken to satisfy them. That is a marketing. Means according to modern concept, it mainly concerned about the needs and satisfaction of the consumer. So that now the marketing is called as a consumer oriented. Then next one, that is a marketing management. Marketing management is the process of planning and implementing the conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of products or services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. That is nothing but marketing management is the performance of the different managerial functions like planning, organizing, directing and control of the activities, and help the organization to exchange the goods and services between the producers and consumers. So through that it helps the organization to achieve the organization objective and to satisfy the customer. So in totally marketing management is nothing but overall managing of the flow of goods from the producer to consumer and satisfying the needs of the individual and the needs of the organization, means achieving the organization objective. That is a marketing management. Then next term, that is a strategy. Strategy is become the important concept in the contemporary era. The word strategy is derived from the Greek word strategos. This strategos is a combination of two words, that is a stratus and ego. Stratus means it's army and ego means leading. So the word strategy means leading a army. In the ancient time or the originally strategy is used in the military field, but due to the time development this meaning has been evolving and now it is applied to the human activities and in particular to business. Means strategy is now mainly used in the business. This strategy defines the roadmap of an organization. Roadmap means it provides the blueprint of the organization decision. Now let's see the meaning of strategy. This meaning is given by two authors, that is one Chandler and the Porter. According to Chandler, strategy is the determination of the basic long-term goals of an enterprise and adoption of courses of action and allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. That means according to Chandler, strategy is nothing but identifying the goals and objectives of the organization and steps to be taken to achieve such a goals. That is a strategy. Then according to Porter, the strategy is to select the set of activities in which a company stand out to establish a sustainable differences in the market. The differentiation arises of the activities chosen and how they are carried out. That means according to Porter, the strategy is nothing but it involves the performance of different activities that help the company to differentiate it from the competitors in the target market and help to achieve its goal. That is a strategy. So in the total, a strategy is a plan that defines the overall vision, mission and direction of an organization. Then next, the objective of a strategy. The objective of a strategy is to maximize an organization's strength and to minimize the strength of the competitors. That means here the strategy help the organization to study the what are the strength and weaknesses of the organization and how it has to make the differentiate it from the competitors. That is the main aim of the strategy. The components of well-defined strategy are size, goals, resource utilization, sustainable competitive advantage and synergy. These are the different elements of a strategy. Then there are three levels of strategy, namely corporate level strategy, business level strategy and functional level strategy. Corporate level strategy means what? Corporate level strategy, it deals with the strategy formulation and planning at the top level. That means it deals with the coordinating activities of the organization. That is a corporate level strategy. Then business level strategy, it helps to plan with the objective of achieving long term objective and to deal with the competition in its industry. That means in business level strategy, it plan about how the objective of the organization must be achieved, then how the competitors must be deal in the market, that is must be done through business level strategy. Then function level strategy, it deals with the strategy for a particular product or market. Here this mainly related to market. So here in strategic marketing management subject, we mainly going to concern about or concentrate on a function level strategy. That is a main how the strategies are used in the market in order to be successful in the target market. So this market function level strategy become important in this chapter, means in this whole syllabus we going to concentrate on functional level strategy. Then next one, strategic management. Strategic management is the management of an organization resources to achieve its goals and objective. That means it is like a marketing management. It performs different managerial activities and different activities in order to achieve its goals and objective. It involves different activities like setting objectives, analyzing the competitive environment, analyzing the internal organization, then evaluating the strategies and ensuring that a management rolls out the strategies across the organization. These are the different activities performed by the strategic management. At its heart, strategic management involves identifying how the organization stack up compared to its competitors and recognizing opportunities and threats facing an organization, whether they come from within the organization or from competitors. That means here strategic management help the business or the organization to have a SWOT analysis about their product and the market. Means here help to study about the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats of the product in the target market must be studied with the help of strategic marketing. So in totally this strategic management provide the overall direction to an enterprise and helps to achieve their objective. This is about the strategic management. Then let's start with the first unit of the strategic marketing management, that is unit 1, strategic marketing management. Introduction. Effective marketing start with the considered well-informed marketing strategy. A good marketing strategy helps you define clear, realistic, measurable marketing objectives for your business. Strategic marketing management is a powerful organizational practice and process to best reach and satisfy customers while increasing long-term profitability and productivity. That means in order to become effective or successful in a market, the organization must have an effective marketing strategy. This marketing strategy helps the organization to achieve its goal and it helps to satisfy the customer. So because of that reason, this strategic marketing management become the powerful tool or powerful practice of the organization. This strategic marketing management help the organization through setting the overall direction and goals of goals for your marketing. Means it deals with the providing the direction and achieving the goals for your marketing. That is strategic marketing management. Strategic marketing management is a market driven process of strategy development. That means here the strategy marketing management, it formulates the strategy mainly based on the customer needs and wants and the changing business environment. On the basis of that, the strategies are adopted by the organization. So because of that reason, it is called as a market driven process. Next one, definition. According to Aker, strategic marketing management is a system designed to help management both participate and make strategic decision as well as create a strategic vision. That means here strategic marketing management is a system that helps the management to launch and take strategic decisions and formulate strategic vision. That means here, according to Aker, the strategic marketing management help the organization to formulate the vision, mission, and objective through the adoption of a marketing strategy. Then next definition, that is the strategic marketing management is the process of implementing the business mission through specific and strategic process in order to maximize the current marketing plan. That means here with the help of here a strategic marketing management is nothing but the process of advancement or maximizing the present marketing plan with the help of the implementation of new objective through the adoption of marketing strategy. Means on the basis of the new marketing strategy, new objective must be implemented, so through that the current marketing plan become must be advanced. That is a strategic marketing management. Meaning it is a process of analyzing external environments, internal factors, identifying and selecting a strategy so that organization can achieve its long-term goals and its vision. That means it is a nothing but it is a analyzing and evaluating the different activities of a business, like analyzing external and internal environment, identifying the specific strategy, then differentiating its products from competitors, analyzing the strength and weaknesses, so as to achieve objective of the organization and satisfy the customer needs. So in simple, strategic marketing management is the process of strategy development by regularly considering the marketing environment and satisfying the customers. This is the meaning and the definition of strategic marketing management. Then the strategic marketing management process involves the marketing analysis of the marketing situation, formulating a marketing strategy, market program development, and implementing and managing marketing strategy. Means the steps or the process involved in strategic marketing are: first, to analyze the market, then the marketing situation, means what is the business cycle in the market, whether it's a recession, inflation, like that it has to study. After that, it has to formulate the marketing strategy and develop the marketing program. Market program means like product design, then channel of distribution, sales promotion, then channel selling. These are the different activities, packaging, these are the different activities of the market that must be developed. Then what the marketing strategies are formulated, that must be evaluated, and then it should be implemented. So this is the different process involved in the strategic marketing. Then the starting point of a development of the strategy is always based upon the customers that form the market, and then comes competitors, the strengths and weaknesses of the firm, the economic conditions, and the cultural forces and the market environment. That means the different factors that must be considered while formulating the strategies are: first, it consider the needs and wants of the customers. Then it has to see the competitors, means what the sort of the competitors, means what type of the products are to be produced, then what is the strength, what is the weaknesses of the competitors, that must be analyzed. After that, it must must analyze the strength and weaknesses of its product and about their market plan. Then it has to consider the financial condition, that is the economic condition, means finance, how much finance it has, that must be analyzed. Then the different forces, internal and external factors, must be considered while formulating a strategy. Then what is goal of strategic marketing management? The goal of strategic marketing is to maximize firm's positive differentiation over competitors in the eyes of its target market. It does this by answering three key questions: where, how, and when should business compete. That means here the main objective of strategic marketing management is to differentiate it from the competitors and provide the positive way or advantage of its product must be given. That is a main aim of strategic marketing management. Then next one, that is examples of strategic marketing management. They are Apple and Tesla. These are the best two companies which example for adopting strategic marketing management. These two companies adopted the unique strategic marketing management so that they become successful in their field. Apple company, they become a popular in the smartphone industries because of their adoption of a unique strategic marketing plan. They become the successful as iPhone mobile become very popular in the smartphone industries. So then Tesla, they are successful in electric car production industries. So both these Apple and Tesla, they uses strategic marketing management so that they become very popular and successful in their respective fields. The next one, last topic of this video, that is a nature of a strategic marketing management. First one, try to identify and formulate organization's vision, mission and values. Well, vision means what? Vision is the goal to be achieved by the company. What the company intend to be achieved in future, that is a vision. Mission means it is the direction to reach the goal, that is a mission. Values means it is the list of principles that guide and direct the organization to reach its goal. So the strategic marketing management help the organization to identify and formulate all these vision, mission and values. Then do a SWOT analysis of a product. SWOT analysis, you know the meaning. SWOT is a strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. The strategic marketing management help the organization to analyze its strength and weaknesses of its product. Then find out a pest analysis for a product and market. Pest, the acronym of pest is political, economic, and social and technology. So P means political, E means economic, S means social and T means technology. So strategic marketing management help the organization to know the what are the external factors that affect the performance and profitability of organization through pest analysis. Then it emphasis on profit, means by it helps to increase the profit of the organization. Then it identify the target market and deliver better value product to the market than competitors, means it helps the organization to choose which market it has to launch its product. Then how their product must be different than the competitors, means how the quality must be very important than their competitors. That must be done with the help of a strategic marketing management. Then describe your business and its product and services, means it a strategic marketing management, it explains the nature of business and nature of its products and services. Then explains the position and role of product and services in the market. That means how much market share a product of a company as in the target market, means the market share of the product must be analyzed by the strategic marketing management. Then profiles the customers and the competition. That means here strategic marketing management help the organization to collect the data related to the prospective customers. That means the needs and wants of the customers must be collected, and it also collect some information related to the competitors. That means about their strategy, then about their strength and weaknesses and the quality of the product that must be uh, followed by the competitors. That all must information are collected by using this strategic marketing management. Then identifies the marketing tactics that will use. Marketing tactics is nothing but promotional strategy that used by the organization must be identify the strategic marketing management, means how the product must be advertised. They for example, a company can use online platforms like social media like FB, Instagram or other social platforms to advertise their product, or email or like that it find out the which promotional channel that must be used to popularize or to promote their product. That is used that can be identified with the use of a strategic marketing management. Then improve the organization performance. That means it helps to increase the profitability of the organization through achieving its goals and through satisfy the customers. This is about the nature of strategic marketing management. Okay, thank you my dear students. Let's see the remaining topic in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you have any doubts, please clarify it and contact me. Thank you.